Good morning everyone. I don't know if you can tell by my Christmas ears in July, but today we are going to Disneyland Paris. Don't think it's every day that you get to say that you've been on the balcony of a Disney castle. This is class. One of the guys at the Indiana Jones shop just gave me this, which is really cute. He says because I'm wearing Christmas ears in July. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. So that's my first time in Disneyland Paris, and I can guarantee you that will not be the last because I absolutely loved it there. I've been to the one in California, I've been to the one in Orlando, now I can say I've been to the one in Paris. So I've done 3 out of the 6 parks, and hopefully I get to do more in the future. So if you did enjoy this video, please let me know by leaving a like or a comment down below. And also if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. So thank you again so much for watching this video, and here's what you have to look forward to on the next one. Next time on Travel Bugby. And today we're doing something completely different. Today we are entering the catacombs.